Making noise with words, an introduction to onomatopoeia. Hello learners! Today we are diving into the fascinating world of onomatopoeia. Now, you may be thinking, that's a big word. What does it mean? Don't worry, we are going to break it down together, and by the end of this video, not only will you understand it, but you will also be able to use it in your everyday English conversations. Onomatopoeia is a term in English linguistics that refers to words that imitate or represent a sound. These words mimic the actual sounds we hear. For example, consider the sound a bee makes. We represent it in English with the word buzz. That's onomatopoeia. Now that we understand the basic definition, let's look at some more examples. Here are a few common ones. Boom, the sound of an explosion. Sizzle, the sound of food frying. Chirp, the sound a bird makes. Drip, the sound of a falling drop of liquid. By using these words in our sentences, we can paint a more vivid picture and make our listeners feel as if they are experiencing the sounds we're describing. Now, how do we use onomatopoeia in everyday conversation? It's pretty simple and fun. Let's take a few examples. My alarm clock goes beep beep at 7 a.m. every day. The steak started to sizzle as soon as I put it on the hot grill. During the storm, we heard the boom of thunder. These sentences create an audio imagery that allows the listener to imagine the scene more effectively. Congratulations, learners! You now know what onomatopoeia is and how to use it in everyday English conversation. Isn't it exciting to think that words can create sounds? Remember, language learning is a journey. It's about enjoying the process and having fun along the way. So, go ahead, make some noise with your words. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.